You are going to love the 2013 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual sunroof, power brakes, dual exhaust, interval wipers, leather upholstery, keyless entry, premium sound system, security system, power door locks, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.